Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. We've got ourselves another 1987 Buick Grand National. So we have these coming in every month and we sell them within 2 to 3 weeks. So get yourself in line. This is an exceptional example. This is original acrylic paint. Still has the original bumperettes so you can feel the flex in these bumpers. You've got your signature black grille for an 87 and all of your rubber trim looks great. I would rate this paint 8.5 out of 10. And that's being very generous for a GM paint job at that time. As we walk to the side of the vehicle, I want you to take note of how nice these wheels look. It's rolling on a set of radial TAs. All of your badges, all of the hood emblems look great. You've got very, very minor checking on the hood, which is common with these vehicles, but overall, extremely clean. As I look at the roof line, I don't see any dimples or dents, and there's no cracks here from someone hot rodding this car. So normally you'd have like a body crack. All of this right here is still original. All the rubber trims look great. And then when you go to the rear, I don't see any cracks either. The trunk looks great. The rear quarter looks great. I don't see any rubber on here because it looks like this guy took care of it. I'm gonna open up this door and sit down and go over this binder with you real quick. So this is a pretty option car. It's got the digital gauges. It has power windows. You've got your cruise control. And then it does not have, oh, it does have concert sound. It has a concert sound too as well. This is what I want to show you. This is the binder, 1 inch thick of all the documents on this car. When I open it up, we're going to have the original, original window sticker, the original order sheet, the documents from when the former GM executive, the only owner of this car, purchased it brand new. And then we have the original title. I mean, every single thing you could think of has been documented. There's dyno sheets in here showing that it's pretty much on par with stock numbers. I don't know where to stop. You've got your original owner's manual and warranty card. Look at the inside. Let me get out of here. Inside, all original. No issues with the seats ripping or tearing. All the carpet looks great. Only imperfection I could find, small hairline crack on the top speaker right here on the dash. What else did I notice? The headliner is excellent. It's not sagging. That's pretty great. Your dash overall and the front fascia looks great. And then I'm going to open up the trunk while you're scrolling through there, okay? Come on back here and take a look at this. Trunk looks great. Inside of here, we have the original catalytic converter. So if you want to put that back in there, you can, but right now it sounds unbelievable when we start it up. You've got your WE2 option, which tells us that this is a actual Grand National. And obviously, this binder will tell you that too. There's no rust anywhere to be found here. Nice and solid. This quarter looks great. The tires are wider in the rear, so these are a taller tire, and they grip excellent. Exhaust looks great, and it's been upgraded. Look at the gaps on this. Unbelievable. Opening up the door, same as the other side, extremely clean. All the seams on the seats are looking good and they're not tearing. Let me open up the hood and we'll go over that. So this was updated in the 90s, so this guy decided to put on some of the accessories that you would buy at that time, like the covers for the turbo and what else? Little accessories to cover your Power Master, which I have to tell you about. Ready? So it's pretty much all original. It has a cover on the turbo, original intercooler with the numbers on it. You see, like, this is all the stuff that they would buy in the 90s and 2000s. The cover for your alternator, for your Power Master system. It does have an air intake as well. The little cover right here for this and for the radiator, and then you've got your shroud cover. You take all that stuff off, it's gonna look like it's just like factory. The Power Master. When I drove this car, I don't like how the pedal feels, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a Carbon Performance master cylinder kit put in there with the correct pedal so that you guys can be safe with your family when you're driving it. I will include this system with the purchase, but That kit comes in tomorrow or on Monday. We're gonna be installing that. What do you say I start it up? What I'm gonna do right now is start it up. You don't have any of those dead start issues where you have to double crank it. Fires up. Your digital gauges are working as they should. This has 53,000 original miles and those are documented. You see the brake light on right now, so that Power Master is going bad and we're gonna take care of that for the new owner. Steering wheel looks great and it sounds really good, so I don't know if you can hear that, but really healthy. We're gonna go ahead and throw this on the lift so you can see underneath it. This is not the type of car that I really want to go out there and tear up. It has so much documentation. This is more of an investment grade piece. If you do want a test drive video, give us a call. We'll gladly send you one. But it does drive perfect and I can guarantee this car to anybody. Give us a call, 954-363-2261.